Hello everyone, so this is Risha back again with another video. So in this video I'll be presenting the final presentation, so it will be the last video. So I'll start. So this is the final presentation for Descriptive Business Analytics, which is small business application and loan amounts. So I'm analyzing this data. So for my first visualization, it was loan approved amount by business type. Here we can see that corporations are the business type that appears to have gotten the most loan money, which is around 70 billion. And the approval amount for the individual and partnership are much lower than corporations. So individuals got 3 billion and partnerships got 2 billion. And from this analysis, it's appeared that loan amounts approved are based on perceived risk of the business type by lenders. So corporation may be seen as less risky than individual or partnerships, so they may be able to qualify for larger loans. Then we have the top 5 states by business types. So corporation in California has the highest loan approval amount, which is $15 billion, followed by Florida, which is 5 billion. For individual and partnership, California is leading on gross approval loan amount, which is around 1.4 billion for individual business type and around $500 million for partnership business type. Then we have the distribution of loan approval by business type. So here we can also see that the corporation in California got loan amount approved of 15 billion, followed by Florida 5 billion and Texas 4 billion. Then we have loan approval over time in different business type. So we can see that the corporation loan approval is higher than individual and partnership from 2010 to 2022. There is a huge increase of loan approved amount for corporation in 2012. We can see the spike here, and then it got declined again from 2013 to 2014, and then it started to raise again. For jobs supported in different business type, we can see that corporation has supported the almost 93.35% of the jobs, and individual and partnership has supported only 3.4% and 3.18%. So here we can say that corporation is leading in every sectors of the business loan approval amount and everything. So for the next visualization, we have the top 10 state by loan amount. We can see that California has the highest loan amount, which is almost 17.2 billion. After that, we have Florida, which is around 5.4 billion. And then we got Texas, Illinois. So it's the same chart in a column chart, so it's more visually understandable. As I say that California has the highest loan amount, and here we can see that for the last 4 of top 10 states, all of them has almost the same amount of loan approval. Then we have top 10 states by job supported. We can see that California has supported the highest number of jobs, around 204,000, and Florida has supported around 67,000. We can see that Texas has supported 60,000. So it's a bubble chart for the job supported, and the bubbles showing how many jobs are supported in each state. So we have top 10 loan approved and job supported states chart. Here I have like side by side, like top bottom job supported and gross approval for different states. So here we can see that gross loan amount approval and job supported has a similar trend in all the top 10 states. California is on top in both cases, but however here we can see that MI has the less loan amount, still supporting good number of jobs, as we can see that here. So from these data and charts, we can see that California is leading in all other states, like compared to all other states, in job approval and in loan approval and job supported. For the next chart, we have top 10 borrowers by loan amounts. Here we can see that top borrowers in Holiday borrowers. The top borrower is Holiday Inn Express, and they borrowed about 108 million, followed by Hampton Inn, and so it's also borrowed around 58 million. And like the last two is of the top 10 is Hilton Garden Inn and Candlewood Suites. It's around 30 million and 34 million dollars. Next, we have top 5 industry by job supported. Here we have different industries. So we can see that full service restaurants supported the highest number of jobs, around 87,000, followed by hotels except casino hotels and motels, around 54,000. We have the top 10 industry by loan amount. So here we can see that hotel and motel has the highest amount of loan approved, which is 7.4 billion, and followed by the full service restaurant, which got 3.2 billion. Then we have the top 10 industry by loan amount. We can see that the hotels got the highest loan approved, and after that we have the full service restaurants, and we can see that car wash, lasers, and office, like the last 4, got almost same amount of loan approved, which is 1 billion. Then we have top 10 franchise by loan amount. Here we can see that Holiday Inn temporary franchises has the highest amount of loan approval, and in the last of top 10 is Primrose Schools. So here we can see that hotels are leading, the hotel services are leading in getting the loan approved amount, or they're supporting more jobs. So then we have the loan approval by delivery method. We can see that almost 64.14% of the loan is approved by ALP and delivered by ALP, and 27.93% delivered by 504. Then we have loan amounts by business age. So existing or more than 2 years old companies got the most amount of loan approved, around 25 billion, and startup loan funds for open business got the second highest amount of loan approved, which is around 4 billion. Then we have the correlation of gross charge of amount and gross approval. I have already discussed it in my Tableau. Then we have job supported by loan amount. I have also discussed it in Tableau, that is showing a positive relationship in these two. Then we have the loan approval over time. So loan approval amount is fluctuating over the years, but in 2012 we can see that there is a hike in the loan approval amount and got 7 billion. Then it got decreased again, but now it's like in 2022 it's 9 billion. Here is the trend line of the loan approval over the time, like it's showing it started in 2010 and it was 4.4 billion, and now in 2022 it's 9.1 billion. As it's also a trend line for job supported over time. So we can see that in 2010 job was supported, like around 88,000 jobs were supported, and now it's 96,000 jobs supported. But however, in 2012 we can see that there is a huge hike, like on that year 127,000 jobs was supported. So here are my dashboards. I have already discussed it in my Tableau video, dashboard 1 part 6. You can go look at that. So it's more easier in Tableau because the filters are applied there. So it will be easier to understand. That's all. Thank you so much for staying with me and seeing my videos. Hope to see you soon. Bye.